we're going to add 4 cups of water. We're going to add 2 cups of grits and whisk those in. That's 1. Let's do 1 more. Add 1 more. Now we're going to put this on the stove, bring it to a boil. We're going to add some salt. Keep whisking until that comes to a boil. You can stop every so often, but make sure you keep whisking. You don't want to get any clumps. Okay? It is boiling, so we're going to reduce the heat and let this simmer. Add about 3 tablespoons of cream. Now let's add some butter and stir that in. And our grits are basically done. We've only let them, after boiling, we've simmered them for 5 minutes. So let's see how thick and creamy our grits are. And they are done.